Okay guys, I want to work on this. I got this from the Dollar General store and it was on sale, so I thought, heck, why not? Love butterflies. And if it's something I can coat with resin, that would be super cool. Piece of wood. Little mosaic pieces. Grout. Read the instructions. Pour grout into a suitable container and add water. Spread the grout on the surface of the base. Wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Place the tiles following the image or create your own pattern. Place grout in the open spaces around the tiles. Wet sponge and wipe the tiles clean. Let dry for 1 hour. Insert mosaic into the base to display. Well, that sounds easy enough. You mix this at a 3-to-1 ratio. But I wish these weren't, I wish these were ceramic, you know, like ceramic tile pieces. I've decided to go ahead and paint all of these little tiles. I'm using my acrylic paint. I'm using some that I got from the Dollar Tree and just cheap paint. But I'm going to paint these, let them dry, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay. I've got this painted white around the edge. Painted this white. I've got these painted, well, the tops anyway. And then I sprayed them with some clear paint. Guesstimate it. Okay. Let's get some on here. Maybe I need to hurry, I don't know. Okay. All right, let's see. You're not supposed to be so close. Well, it's too late. I've already started. So, with these ones anyway. So I'm just gonna keep doing this one for the top one. This would probably work really good if you could work faster than me, or if you would have already had a pattern in mind, unlike me just now. I just came in here and started it, but that's how I seem to do things before I think it through. Yeah, see where it's drying on me? Goodness gracious. We're gonna put a silver one here for the body. Maybe a blue in the middle of those. got some mismatched ones. So it'll have to be mismatched, I guess. Now I guess we mix it again and fill that in. Fill all the spaces in. I don't know, I've never done this before. Ay, ay, ay. Hope I did it okay. Okay, whew. Now I think I need to let it dry a little bit before I go wiping off the top part, but I don't know. You know, I think the bottom should have sat longer before I put on this top part. I don't know, I've never done this before. Because I think I'm supposed to take a wet sponge. I guess we can try a corner and see what happens. Oh, I see where some of it's not filled up. Gotta make sure I get that filled up. Okay, okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, all I'm gonna do is put a UV top coat on this since I've got it all cleaned off. And then I'll just put the lid to this G3 on here. Okay, I think I have it all covered. We'll torch it and try to get any of them bubbles that we can. I'm gonna hold it up a little ways. Okay guys, let's look at it. All right, there it is. I think it looks super cool. Put it in the base. Sweet. And I can just set it on my counter. Anyway, I love that. I can see some cracks in my grout and stuff, but that's totally okay. Super cool, something you can do at home with your kids though, you know. And it was cheap. And I love butterflies, so awesome. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you have an amazing day and go be creative. See ya.